We are at IMTEX at BIEC Bangalore. I have a feeling that I am standing in the Italian land.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's true.
Because there are a lot of companies who are coming and exhibiting here at the Italian Pavilion, promoted by Italian Trade Agency, and I am having with me Miss Baccanari, ITA, bridge the gap between in India the trade of Italian and Indian. You support a lot of Italian companies.
Yeah, as a government agency, our mission is to support Italian companies to go abroad, to find out business opportunity, to find out collaboration and cooperation opportunity. So we try to be a bridge between these our two great economies. And on the other side, we also support Indian investor to explore opportunities in Italy through a sort of door open to the European market.
Italy is one of the biggest exporter. Like in Europe,
Yeah.
Germany is the largest, we can say the engineering manufacturing, they are the largest.
Yeah.
But Italy is second.
Yeah, absolutely true. Italy is the second greatest manufacturing in Europe, and right now we have a great expertise in so many different manufacturing sectors because our medium-sized companies are mostly specialized in very specific and niche production. So that's what you can find here, even here today in this pavilion.
Now, I believe there are a lot of improvements in trade which is happening. But if you say India as a country got independence from British before almost 78 years. And if you see all these years, I believe there is the trust or the belief between the two economies, especially in the manufacturing, I feel it should have been better.
Yeah.
What do you think?
Yeah,
about
that's improving. I mean, the data they show us, the trade data, the relations are stronger and bigger every year. So this is because between the two countries, the trust is increasing, and the companies believe that the opportunity of cooperation are much more important than any issue that can be from commercial point of view, from custom regulation, as you know, all the usual ones, the difficulties that you can face when you export, when you do business between two countries. But the trust between the companies is increasing, and even the opportunities.
I think the governments are also working very closely, considering we had the Prime Minister Meloni coming to India, our Prime Minister going to Italy, and the kind of collaborations what we have seen, both the people was actually very promising.
Yeah, now between the two countries there is a strategic cooperation plan in going on. So this is according to this strategic plan. There is an understanding to cooperate in so many different sectors, from advanced manufacturing to space, to defense, to mobility. So that's and to culture. So there is very, very great interest from both country and government to increase more opportunity of collaboration.
Now, in this Italian pavilion, there are so many companies
we have
I'm able to see. So,
there are.
I think I know this company, Pietro Carnegie, because when we did one association, I think we have featured them. I believe so. There are so many Italian companies.
Yeah, there are more than 12 companies from different parts of Italy, and we organized together with Uchimo, which is the industrial association of the machine tools in Italy. We organize after 10 years this pavilion, Italian Pavilion at the IMTEX. And IMTEX, we believe, is really the right place to be at the right time, because as Italian manufacturing in the machine tool sector, we really have a lot of products that we can showcase here and share with Indian counterparts.
So I seen that Uchimo. You spoke about Uchimo.
Yeah.
And Uchimo and they work very closely with the Indian machine tool industry. Actually,
Yeah.
I've been to Uchimo's office.
Oh, great.
In Milan.
In Milan. Yes, it was in Milan.
And the people who work there also, I think Alberto and Claudia. So they're all they come often.
Oh, yeah.
And so I believe there are a lot of cooperation between these two economies, especially in manufacturing, can
Absolutely.
be improved.
Absolutely. I mean, machine tools is really a great one. More than 40% of the total Italian export to India. So the opportunities are really huge of cooperation between in this sector between these two countries. And this pavilion here is a sort of want to witness this increasing partnership and opportunity of cooperation. And we strongly believe that we keeping working closely with Indian counterparts, we can improve even cooperate in different projects and improve the quantity and quality of what we do together.
I think Invest India is one counterpart we have, where they also go and invite other countries like
Yeah.
Italy to come and work. So you also work with Invest India?
No, I mean, we work with investors with India, with the CII, with the Fiji, with all the different organizations that we support. Above all, we also organize delegation from India to visit our exhibition in like BIMO or Lamiera or many others to visit and to the Italian exhibition in different sectors. So that absolutely we work closely with any kind of organization that can help us to create a bridge between our two countries.
It was very nice talking to you.
Absolutely.
I think this can be just a start.
Absolutely, I agree.
We would love to see that how we can help both India and Italian manufacturing companies come together,
Yeah,
do business together, because we need technology.
yeah,
Today, India is the most populous country in the world. So we have the market.
sure.
And today, Europe is having the technology and we are having the market. So I think this is the right time.
Yeah.
Both people come together and we can create a strong
It's the right
partnership.
wedding to do.
Thank you very much for your
Thank
time.
you, absolutely. Thank
and
you
wish
so
all the
much.
best.